What's up, guys? This is 𝗦𝗶𝗶 Forex here, and very quickly here I want to show you how to identify a valid order block. This is one of the major problem I see that most beginners are facing in the forex market. You want to take a trade, maybe a buy setup or a sell setup, but you are doubting if that order block is valid. And we are going to be using the new demand and supply, because we use this same strategy in this book to predict all our analysis, which are actually going well. So first thing first, I don't want to waste too much of your time. I want you to save this video if you are watching this from TikTok, so that you can come back again. If you're on YouTube, ensure you subscribe. So first thing first, what are the criteria of a valid order block? This is it. Boom. Take a screenshot if you want to. It must have a BOS, fair value gap, market structure, IDM. That zone should be unmitigated. This is how it looks like. It has an impulsive market trap there, which is probably called an IDM. Then the order block should be unmitigated. Very important there. And again, this book is the new version, different from the old one. If you have this book, you are not in our VIP, then just rush down to my TikTok bio, click the link there, get the book, DM me, and I'll add you to the VIP group as well. Now, again, this book also contains why you should stop blowing account, or how to stop blowing account, the key to demand and supply there. And again, not that all, the risk and money management, that's for the risk management, and this is for the money management. If you are a beginner, you want to learn exactly how to get started, these are my entries confirmations, and again, as well as giving you the step by step on how to take trade. Step 1, you have to see it, step 3, like that. I think okay, this is the step 1 there, step 2 there, step 3 there, you can see step 3 there, step 4, like that. And if you follow this process, trust me, you're going to be getting it. Now let's get down to the business. So then, how can we identify a valid order block? Now, if you want to identify a valid order block, let's say we have an uptrend like this. Market is moving to the upside. Like I said, first thing first, the zone should be unmitigated, which means that in one way or the other, even if you have this move like coming down like this, maybe you see something like this, this is still an unmitigated order block. Why? Market has not tapped on it. What is unmitigated? Unmitigated means market never tap on. No go let grammar confuse you. Unmitigated means market never, if you see them now, market never tap this zone, which means this zone is still fresh. Now virgin, Baba never use them. They never carry this order block go location. Baba never use them. So there is high chance that even if you carry this zone, go meet Baba go accept them. Because why? Baba go tell you in a virgin. They never use them. They never use the glory. All right, let's continue. So, and again, there is another thing you need. You need a, what's it called, a fair value gap. Now, if you look very closely, the fair value gap you need is going to be the one closer to your zone. Because why? It will add more pressure to your order block when the market tap on it. All right. Another thing is impulsive move. You don't want to see chunky movement. It no go work. Chunky movement no go work. I beg, make sure you know, like, that one is very important. And break of structure. This is your criteria of an A+ setup, which is exactly what we need here in, okay, let me not just show you the book. Let's just do the, the graphic stuff there. And again, there is high tendency that if market comes to this zone, there is going to be a reaction. But what about if the zone is looking like this? Boom. This is now invalid order block. But the next time market is coming to it like this, can we still buy up? The probability of this market buying when the zone has been mitigated, it will now become low. That is why we say we have a low probability setup and a high probability setup. In 𝗦𝗶𝗶 Forex Academy, in my academy, like if you need an advanced mentorship, we teach you exactly how to identify all this. If you're interested, If you're watching me from YouTube, the link will be in the just go to any of my video, then you head over to the let me show you guys. Let me turn the camera. Let's say if you're watching me from YouTube, just click on the description link there. You're going to see the link to join. But if you're watching me from TikTok, just head over to my bio and you see everything there. So let's continue. And on my academy, I show you how to do all this. Now, if this zone has been tapped, it means this virgin has been used. So if you are not bringing this other block virgin to Baba to use it to do work for you, there is high tendency that Baba will reject it. Why? Because it has been used before. But can Baba still accept that virgin? Be virgin. She not be virgin again now. Can Baba still accept it? In most cases, yes. Because guess where Baba don't use, and they still reuse them, but the probability of it will be low. That is why you need to look for zones. Now we did this how to identify, very easy, straight to the point. But we did analysis, live analysis on TikTok and also on YouTube. Let me show you guys. So this is the one we did. This is on, let me on what's it called, the watermark. So you see, this is volatility 150x, and I've been telling you guys that one of the best RR is 1 to 3. Check this zone. We have an unmitigated. Baba never used them before. So the first time when I can't go meet Baba accept them. I am not on this trade, and this was a very nice one. All my students, I believe they took this trade. Stop loss is going to be below. Bad as a bad, even if your stop loss is here, you are going to be getting nice 1 to 4 RR. Even if now 1 to 3 RR the chase, that's still a nice trade, bro. Not supposed to take me out though, as in me I just give you free knowledge like this. This one is for volatility 75s, volatility 150s. Now I think let's check jump. Same thing on job. Look at it. The other block I'm using is unmitigated. Baba never used them before. So the first time when I can't go meet Baba, as Baba tap on them, Baba accept them. Mona no go tell me say attitude day so but you get the gist. We predicted on YouTube, TikTok live that we might tap here, stop dropping, because why? We had a double top and a market structure shift. So this is a clean impulsive move, unmitigated, fair value gap, everything there. And when Baba tap on it, when we carry this other block to go and meet Baba accepted it. So the main move is we are still expecting a buy around this zone, because why? This zone is unmitigated, but it is to the upside. I hope you get the gist. Now let's take volatility 75s. That one, this one is just cocoa. Now this is the we did this one on YouTube. This is the other block, although we are expecting that one at the bottom, but this is the main move. And nines 1 to 3, nines 1 to 3, boom. Not even 1 to 3, it gave you even as close to like 1 to 4. All right, but literally 1 to 3 is the best. All the trade, bad as a bad, you should be in profit. Bad as a bad. Now let me show you the last one. And all this analysis, we did them on live. Nobody say I can't do compost them for the group the way we take it do. This one we predicted it. We had this zone, but Baba no Greek come. It's using this one. But initially when I predicted this was the move we saw. But I don't know the time when market a push up. If not, I for tell you I say here na still good zone, because now unmitigated zone. So let's check. I think it's remaining one, because I asterisk them. The one we did on live stream, I asterisk them. Boom. This one. Then for this one, this is the zone. Let me adjust this. This is the zone, and this was supposed to be when you get into the trade. Stop loss above that week for protected stuff. Then you are targeting like 1 to 3. 1 to boom. That's 1 to 3. So it seems as if this trade is already reversing, but I'm expecting it to drop because why? This zone, Baba never use them. So as we can't call me Baba, Baba suppose accept this zone. So this is exactly how to map an unmitigated zone and also take trade using demand and supply. Easy peasy. So next time you have an order block, ask yourself, the order block, Baba don't use them before. So the next time trade, like for example now, this zone, Baba don't tap on them, he use them. So the next time the trade, they come back to that zone again, something is wrong. All right. So if you want to learn in detailed, in advanced region, or probably you want to join our Telegram channel, because on my Telegram channel, that is where I drop all my knowledge. This is the VIP. This is the VIP group. We are over 2,000 plus, 237 online. And this is exactly where we drop setups. If you have any, you can come here and drop it. And it is for those that have the book. All right. But if you're not interested in joining, you can also join our free group. Link will be in the comment section. This is the free group. You can see over 4,000 members there. So this is the free group. Or probably if you want to reach out to me, then just do well to go to my TikTok bio. Or probably you want to join my academy, go to my TikTok bio, then click on this link here. I'm going to reach out to you as fast as I could. So that's exactly how to mark an unmitigated order block.